Hi, so I'm going to show you how I use later a scheduling tool, and I think this is amazing because there's so many tools out there for scheduling your social media posts. But I love this one because it's visual. Okay, it's easier for us to plan and preview if it's visual, right? I mean, at least for me it is. And on the later also comes with a free account. If you have a free account, you can connect up to 5 social medias on one handle, meaning that I can have my Instagram and my LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, and TikTok. All right, so that's five. Five? Yes. No, it's six. It is six. Six, yes, in one handle. All right, and for the free account, what happens is you will have 60 posts to schedule, okay, in a month, which is a lot. And when you upgrade, then you will get more posts to schedule in a month. Okay, so how do you do it? For example, after you have like logged in and you've connected all of your social media accounts, and what you can do is you can upload your picture or your media first. For example, if I have uploaded this testimony and I want it to be shown, let's see, today is Saturday. Let's see. Today's Saturday, so this is it. And I want it to be shown, for example, here. Okay. Here, and I just drag the picture over to the time and date that I want it to be scheduled. And what happens is a box will pop out. Okay, box will come out right now as soon as possible. Okay, like here. Okay, come on. Okay, there you go. Yay. Okay, so once this box comes out, so you can write your caption or you can copy paste. If you already have your caption, you can copy paste it, and you can even add the first comment. For example, if you want your first comment, you place all your 30 hashtags on the first comment, then you can also do that and we'll post it along with the post. Okay, and you can even add the location, tag the location. All right, and if, for example, this is not the time that you want it to be posted, so you can just drop this down and change the date or the time. Easy. All right. You can choose auto publish, meaning that the later will publish for you, or you can choose them to send you a notification on your phone so that you just get notified and you will post it yourself. Now, why some people want to do this is because they're just using later as a reminder tool, because sometimes what happens is all these platforms, for example LinkedIn, they do not like when third-party apps like later come in and run automations. They want people to be there interacting with people, with the users. So if you use a scheduler like this, an auto publishing scheduler like this, they will penalize whenever you post on a third-party app, meaning that whenever you post, the views will be less. So what most content creators do is they just send a notification to remind them, oh, it's time to post, and then they post out. But it's entirely up to you, because I know that, for some people, if it doesn't get auto posted, it won't get posted at all. So it really depends on how you're using it, right? Okay, so just cancel this first, leave, and I'll show you how it looks in preview. Okay, so it could look like this. For example, if I don't like how it's looking, because I think I want it to be a little bit mixed up, so I can choose to drag the schedule post to the middle, and it will auto drag according to the time. It will be replaced immediately, automated, so you don't have to manually change the date and time and everything. I know, right? This is amazing. But these are posts that are already posted. So if it's already posted, so you can't do that. It doesn't have that function. Okay. All right. So basically that's it. So this is try this and let me know how it goes.